Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents
the UZI Auto, designed by Fred Carter, made by the United Cutlery Company in the United States of America. Its black non-serrated blade measures 3 1/4. Its well-secured pocket clip, lanyard hole, a spine-mounted safety, a flush button release, stainless steel liners with anodized black aluminum scales. It's excellent quality. This will definitely suit your automatic needs. It's an UZI.
available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com.